I have been able to use Active Track with Neo using the RC2 before, but this time it claims that I'm not a person subject for some reason. I try several times, but it still will not accept me as a person subject. I then move, and interesting enough, the Neo follows me. I try once more, but still I'm not accepted as a person subject. I then turn off the RC2 and try doing it manually, but then I'm faced with a problem that I've seen before. When trying to press the mode button, it only says manual mode, manual mode, manual mode whenever I touch it. I therefore change to use the phone instead and keep the Fly app open, and then, as you can see, it follows me perfectly. Later the same day, I tested the Neo to see whether I could use the function button again, and now it works, and luckily without having to reset all settings.